Well, today's vlog, where we explore the powerful impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on businesses around the world. As technology rapidly advances, AI is becoming a key driver of innovation and efficiency across various industries. From transforming customer service to enhancing data analytics, AI is reshaping the way businesses operate. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how AI is being used in sectors like marketing, healthcare, manufacturing, and retail. We'll highlight real-world examples from global leaders like Amazon, Google, and Tesla, who are already harnessing AI to stay ahead of the competition. If you're curious about how AI can revolutionize your business or career, you've come to the right place. We'll also discuss how companies globally, including those in emerging markets, can leverage AI to improve their operations and achieve greater success. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting possibilities AI has to offer for businesses worldwide. This version is more focused on a global audience, while still offering insights for those interested in how AI can benefit their businesses. 1. Customer service AI is revolutionizing customer service by automating interactions and improving responsiveness. Many companies are adopting AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to provide 24/7 support and handle customer inquiries more efficiently. For example, companies like Amazon and Bank of America use AI chatbots, like Amazon's Alexa and Erica for Bank of America, to assist customers with account management, product recommendations, and issue resolution. Relevant roles: AI chatbot developer, customer experience analyst, AI implementation specialist. Second, data analytics and predictive analytics AI can analyze vast amounts of data and predict future trends, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. Companies like Netflix and Spotify use AI to personalize content recommendations based on user behavior, and UPS uses AI for route optimization and package delivery predictions. Relevant roles: data scientist, predictive analytics expert, machine learning engineer. 3. Marketing and advertising. AI in marketing helps companies deliver personalized content and advertisements by analyzing customer behavior. For instance, Google and Facebook use AI to target ads based on user interests and behaviors. AI-driven marketing tools help businesses to optimize campaigns and improve ROI, return on investment. Relevant roles: marketing data analyst, AI-driven campaign manager, digital marketing strategist. 4. Manufacturing and automation. AI-powered robots and automation systems are transforming manufacturing industries by performing repetitive tasks and ensuring high efficiency. Tesla uses AI to drive its self-assembling robots in its production lines, and General Motors leverages AI to enhance production quality control. Relevant roles: robotics engineer, AI automation specialist, manufacturing systems engineer. 5. Healthcare AI is being used in healthcare to assist doctors with diagnostics, patient care, and treatment predictions. IBM Watson. Health and Google Health are pioneering AI technologies that analyze medical data for early disease detection. AI applications like medical imaging, disease diagnostics, and drug development are making healthcare more precise. Relevant roles: healthcare, AI developer, clinical data scientist, medical imaging specialist. 6. Agriculture AI is improving agriculture by using technology to monitor crop health, soil conditions, and predict weather patterns. John Deere uses AI to optimize farming equipment and increase crop yields, while the Climate Corporation uses AI to provide farmers with actionable insights for better crop management. Relevant roles: agricultural AI analyst, precision farming technologist, AI solutions engineer for agriculture. 7. Retail AI in retail helps companies personalize shopping experiences, predict customer preferences, and manage inventories. Walmart and Target use AI for inventory management, demand forecasting, and personalized recommendations to improve sales and customer satisfaction. AI also helps in automating warehouses and optimizing supply chains. Relevant roles: retail data scientist, AI solutions, architect for retail, e-commerce optimization specialist. In conclusion, AI is shaping the future of industries by providing tools for optimization, personalization, and efficiency. The adoption of AI is expected to grow across sectors like healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and marketing. Professionals with skills in AI development, data analysis, machine learning, and automation will be in high demand, especially in major companies in the USA like Amazon, Tesla, Google, and IBM.